Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get a hamster, and right now we're just going to go to Barsha in Lulu, and then we're going to shop for it. See you there. Are they all female?
The one in the cage, are they all female?
Yeah, most of them female.
Okay. The female is more active, huh? Okay. So this is the one that you want?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 它有点 brown 嘞，它的头发那里。They are all good, all healthy and.
Yeah.
它很可爱嘞。
喜欢哈。
嗯哼。
行了，放它进去里面了。带它回家了 ，OK？ 带你回家喽。
它比较像是耶。
Come on, baby.
它在 like detect 我，to see if there's any, to see my smell and stuff. Come on, come on.
给它放回去，拿回去。给它放进去可以吗 ？It's okay? Yeah, yeah, good, 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 good.
So cute.
跟它等下跟你洗手。
So I set up the food and the bedding and the water and everything.
So the
now
bedding.
it's time to get the hamster out.
The food over there.
Starla? A few moments later.
Okay.
Ooh,
The new house.
do you think she'll like it?
I think so. It's nice.
Ooh,
哦，它爬了喂。
yeah. I'm still
去玩了。
I think she's still too small to do that.
哎，看看还有没有东西，它的那个。
Ma, can I not close the door first? I just want to play with her a bit.
Oh my gosh, she can
She's
do
so
it already.
cute. She's so cute. Aw, she doesn't want to do it. It's okay. Maybe she wants to do it. Whoa! You're so good, Starla. Oh. She's looking for something. Let me give her a little snack. She wants. I think she smelled it, did she? Oh, she's so scared.